What's up, guys? This is Marc from DS Genie, and I don't know if you could see me. I'm doing this video from my bed. so, I have a hole in my leg, but that's a whole other story. But I'm doing the video from my bed for two reasons. One, because a lot of you guys who are out there are looking at the work that you have to put into drop shipping badly, right? You're looking at it like I don't have time, I have a job, I want to make all this money, but this is too hard. Like it might be a lie, no one is doing it, no one like. So I did a number of things. So I posted a video earlier today. Where is it? I posted a video earlier today asking the guys in DsGenie to send me an email. This is a video to send me an email sharing their success. And I'm doing that because I haven't done that in the past, like for a long time. So what I will do is maybe like once, like so far I've gotten like 4 or 5 emails. Let me see. What the fuck is this email? Right. So far I have a number of emails from the DsGenie guys. The first one to send was Oliver. So I'm gonna go over each one of these guys, maybe like once every couple days. But again, to show you the success and the same fucking way I'm doing this video from my fucking bed. I wish the light was better. Actually, hold on. I think, yeah, I think you just got a little more light, right? Yeah, you can see me. The same way I'm doing this. Oh, fuck. I think I have a light on my fucking. There's a light on my bed. I forgot that. That's kind of cool. So the same way I'm doing, and I could close the blinds on. The same way I'm doing a video from my bed, I used to fucking drop ship from my bed and make full time money. When I used to party a lot and be hungover, and like a lot of you guys like wake up, go to a job, like do like more physical stuff, like whatever the fuck you're doing for a job, chances are it's a little more difficult than drop shipping from your bed. So anyway, so let me see Oliver. So what I ask is that they send, and I'll put the email in the description. So what I ask is that they'll send an email just about their whole history with DsGenie and share it with you guys, right? So I'm going to read it. Hey Marc, hope all is well, brother. Here's my dropshipping journey summary. And I may have talked about Oliver before in some of the videos. So started dropshipping in December 2014 with DS Domination. Signed up for DS Domination from, I guess that's the, hold on. Right, the 4th of December. And my first sale was the 7th of December 2014. It's crazy that you have all that data. As I went through the process, I found that DS Domination was a good starting point, but I needed to find a way to become faster and more efficient due to the amount of time I had to spend on business. Additionally, I was turned off when it started to feel like an MLM through the relaunch and yeah. Joined DS Genie February 2016. I haven't turned back since. Note that I did buy a couple of other programs along the way, but DS Genie is the best for creating the efficiency and results we are looking for. In regards to the general business stats, I work the business 8 to 10 hours a week, right? I list Monday to Thursday, fulfill orders and respond to messages once a day, and my average profit margin is 10%, plus cashback and delta mine. So you make 10% on the front end and works 8 to 10 hours a week. So that's like 2 hours a day, right? 1 to 2 hours a day. Total sales 444,000. Transaction for the last 12 months 130,000. He's a top rated seller. Last 60 days he sold 22,000. I hope you could see that. I'll put links to these images. I'll post these images in the let me see if I can make it bigger. 444,000. I'll post these images in the Honest Dropshippers group, and I'll link it back in the description. Because I'm doing all of this, right? Like I keep forgetting, I'm gonna start doing more DsGenie videos showing you guys how to use this. use the software, because I'm doing all of this not to say that DsGenie is best software in the world, because it is. DsGenie is amazing, but obviously it's not perfect, right? Like we are now finishing up fixing the tracking, and but I am just like kind of sharing with you guys again that you have an option, you have a real way of drop shipping on eBay and making money. Like Oliver is making an extra $1,000 a month, right? He's making an extra $1,000 a month consistently, like working 2 hours a day, 1 to 2 hours a day. If you did 8 hours a day, he'll be making a full time income, right? Making maybe $4,000 or $5,000 a month. And I'm urging you guys, yeah, you complain, yeah. And remember, this money is before cashback, right? So he's making another 5%. So I would average always making about $1,500 a month. But yeah, guys, so I'm doing all of this to say that you could do the shit from your fucking bed. You could do it from a desk. You don't need to put in long, long hours unless you want to make the big, big money. But you can do it. Oliver has a full-time job. As he mentioned here, um, he didn't put up any listings from October to December because he got married in October. So, and he still has consistent sales. So guys, I don't have over 800 videos on YouTube just because I have nothing to do with my fucking time. I do all of this because when I was trying to dropship, when I was trying to make money online, there was no one honestly telling me what I need to do or what options I had. Everyone had everything behind a wall of paying, and then you pay, and then you realize you're not fucking getting the results or the options, or you're not getting exactly what you paid for. So all of this that I'm doing is just stuff that I would have wanted when I was dropshipping. It just didn't exist. So guys, please use this as a certain level of inspiration. If I could do it, if Oliver could do it, if all these guys in DsGenie could do it, you could do it too. It's just about sitting down and doing the work. So let me stop rambling. Love you guys. Travel, make that money. Subscribe to my channel. Look in the description. In the description, I have a free. There's a free mastermind group. There's a free 1 hour training if you guys didn't take it yet, and there's a link to join DsGenie, so you guys will be a part of other people that can make an extra $1,000 a month, right? And even if you don't want to join DsGenie, still do the 1 hour course and get things done, because it can be done. It is being done on a daily basis, and some of you guys are just not taking action and getting shit done. Anyway, love you guys. I need to get out of my bed and clean the hole in my leg. Later.